In this video, I will be showing you tail weaves in seed stitch. The key to a good tail weave is that it doesn't show to the right side of the work, it doesn't come undone, and it allows the knitting to stretch in all directions. Seed stitch is similar to garter stitch with a little bit of a twist for weaving in tails. Again, like garter, we worked a modified duplicate stitch, ignoring the row in between. For seed, we will do something similar, but because the stitches are staggered, we will be stair-stepping in order to accomplish this. So again, with seed, if we worked true duplicate stitch, if I came in here, I would need to follow the path of the yarn up here, and then down, and then over, and then up to make a purl, and over. Something like so. And when I turn it to the right side, it is visible. And again, if you were working this, if in your working yarn, it may not be too noticeable, but when you look closely, you will see the bulk there, and we don't want that. If we can at all make it invisible on the right side, that's what we want to do. So instead, what we want to do is limit ourselves to the purl bumps that are showing on the wrong side of the work. So I'll enter a frown, an upside down U, somewhere near to where my tail is. And then I will find the upside down U above it, and I will enter the little bars on either side of it that are anchoring that upside down U. And then I will go back in to the same stitch at the bottom that I was at. Now I want to find my another frown, and I could either go down here or I could go up here. I'll go up here and enter from below again, and then find the frown above it and go in the bar to the side, follow the frown, go into the next bar, and then go down into the same stitch, like so. Now I want to find another frown, and I'll continue moving up, and we'll go right there. Oops. And then the frown above it, I'll go into the bar on the right, and then down into the bar on the left, and then down into the stitch below, like so. It is very slightly visible on the right side. You could minimize this by splitting these stitches as you worked. And then make sure you're working slightly loose so that the stretch vertically can be maintained, like so. So that is how I weave in my tails in seed stitch. Thanks for watching.